Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member, and her name is Tanya, and she writes, "Dear MissPlanIt, my friend is getting married soon, and she saw this picture on Pinterest and wanted to duplicate it using Dollar Tree items for the vase. Her colors are rose gold, plum, and royal blue. They are a young couple and are graduating this spring with a new baby. That is awesome. Congratulations. I need your help to make their dream wedding on a budget come true." Well, Tanya, we are more than happy to help you create this dream wedding on a budget for your friend and her beautiful family. So let's get started with this week's episode, Bountiful Blue and Plum Centerpiece, with those Dollar Tree items. Let's go. So our first step is to take our 9-inch vase as well as our 4-inch votive candle holder that we purchased from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to attach them using E6000. So you're going to turn your votive candle holder upside down, put your E6000 on an inside rim, and then attach your 9-inch vase to the top of it. Next, we're going to create our base in which we're going to attach a tea light as well as our gem garland to. Now, the tea light is optional. You don't have to use it, but I want to show you how you can attach it to your base. First, you'll need to make an impression on your 4x8-inch foam disc that was purchased from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to do that by turning your base over and just simply pressing it into the foam just to create an indentation so that you can use it as your pattern when you're applying your gem garland as well as your LED light. Next, you're going to trace your tea light, the rim of your tea light, on the center of your foam disc, and then you simply cut it out using your foam cutter. But be sure to go inside your pattern just a tad bit to make sure that your tea light sits snugly and doesn't fall straight through. Now that we have our tea light set, we're going to use our second circle as a guide to place our gem garland. I'm attaching my gem garland to the foam disc using floral pins. Notice that I've cut the stems of the floral pins in half using my wire cutters. So if you choose to do that, be careful and use your safety goggles. I am attaching each strand individually, and I'm using 7-inch long strands so that they can dangle beautifully inside of the vase. Now we're going to attach our base using hot glue on the rim of our vase and just carefully placing the gems inside of the vase and attaching it to the rim of our foam disc. In order to create our bountiful bouquet, we're going to need to cut this 4-inch styrofoam ball in half. Now, you could buy the halves already cut, but they tend to be a little bit more expensive. This way, you spend less money and you actually can do 2 centerpieces for the price of 1. You know how I say, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. We're then going to attach the half foam ball with floral pins. Well, Tanya, what do you think? Did we meet your vision? I pray that we did. We had an absolute blast creating this beautiful, bountiful blue and plum centerpiece just for you and your special friend. I hope she loves it too. Well, if you like this video, go ahead and like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted every Wednesday. And if you would like an extra special little notification, click on that bell right there in the corner and you will get a notification the moment the video is up and ready. In addition to that, you can send us a comment, or if you have a question, by all means, send us a question. That is what we are here for. We are here to help you create the DIY wedding or event of your dreams. In addition to that, you can follow us on our social media, and that will be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you haven't already signed up for your Ebates account, please do it now. It's absolutely free. You get money for spending money. It's really that easy. Go onto your Ebates website. The link is in the description right below. Sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop online, log onto your Ebates account, find your vendor, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the mail. Trust me, it works. We use it ourselves. Also, don't forget that we have our digital store up and running. We are so excited to bring you digital products that will help you create the DIY wedding or event of your dreams. Right now, we have 4 different planners that are available to you. They are our DIY bride wedding planner, which walks you step by step from setting the date to throwing the bouquet at your wonderful weddings. We are so excited about it. We've had some wonderful reviews, and we're just glad we're able to offer it to you, our community members. As well as we have our Maid of Honor planner, and that is another one that we have just been inundated with just wonderful responses, and I'm just so excited about how many Maid of Honors it is helping. It's helping those of you who received that wonderful title but had absolutely no idea what it meant. But don't worry, we walk you through it step by step. So not only does your bride get an awesome Maid of Honor, but you actually get to enjoy the entire process. In addition to that, we have our project planner, and that's for anyone who is planning a project for a graduation, a retirement party, a baby shower, a quinceañera, or a just because party. It's all there for you. And don't forget our dollar deal, and that is our flat paper flower template, and it comes with an instructional video. It's $1. $1. I can't believe it. So it's all there for you. It's a digital download. As soon as you make your purchase, you have it available to you immediately. We are so excited about it because you don't have to worry about shipping. You don't have to wait for it to come in the mail, and we don't have to worry about international costs for our brides that are in another country. So check it out. You can either click on the link in the description below or click on that little icon right there in the corner. Remember, if there's a project that we can help you with, you have 2 ways to contact us. You can go into the description right below this video. Just click on that upside down triangle arrow, however you see it, and find the link right there to our website, MissPlanIt.com. It'll head you right on over there where you click on the project request tab and follow the easy steps. I always say, do it sooner than later. Our production schedule fills up so fast, and I absolutely hate telling anybody no. So if we can help you, head on over there. While you're there, check out the website. It is pretty awesome. We have so much information and blog posts and just things to help you to make it as easy as possible for you and your event. So check out our website, MissPlanIt.com. So also in the description below, you'll find all the links to the supplies as well as the project cost. You don't have to wonder, where did she get that from? It's right there for you in the description. You just click on it and there it is. So we have that there for you in addition to the project cost, so you know exactly what your budget is going to be. Well, guys, I so enjoyed hanging out with you this week. I hope you enjoyed it too. Thank you for choosing this time to spend with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube. And we just want to remind you that when every penny counts, count on this planet. Take care. See you soon. God bless.